लाइभ यो चाहिँ है गाइस यस्तो लाइभ छ ओहो पुरा ड्याम फुटेर आयो यार
Massive flash flooding struck northern Nepal on Wednesday, August 26, causing widespread destruction along the Nepal Tibet border. The disaster was centered in Rasua district, where a sudden surge of water, mud, and debris swept through communities along the Bote Koshi River.
ल ट्युसुली बजारै गयो यार ल गयो यार ओ यसलाई यता आऊ यता आऊ यता
The main suspected trigger was an ice and rock avalanche in the Lende Kola, a river near the Nepal-China border. The avalanche is believed to have entered and temporarily blocked the river, allowing water to build up before a sudden release sent a powerful surge downstream. Scientists are still investigating the exact cause of the avalanche. Rasua district suffered the most severe destruction, particularly around Timure and Sayabru Basi. Timure, an important settlement near the Nepal-Tibet border crossing, was hit by the powerful flow, with buildings, roads, bridges, and other infrastructure damaged or swept away.
केल्चोकको दुःखको दिन फेरि सुरु भएको छ केल्चोकको दुःखको दिन फेरि सुरु भयो बिजुली अवरुद्ध पुल अवरुद्ध
Sayabru Basi was also heavily affected as floodwaters and debris moved through the river corridor. Homes, businesses, and infrastructure in the area were damaged, while the destruction of roads and bridges made access and rescue operations considerably more difficult. The event also affected areas farther downstream. Floodwaters moved toward New Wakat district and the Trisuli river system, while Dadin district was also among the areas affected. Authorities placed several downstream districts on high alert as the dangerous water and debris continued moving through the river network. The areas under heightened flood risk included Rasua, New Wakat, Dadin, Gorka, and Chitwan. Officials urged people living close to rivers to move to safer locations and avoid riverbanks as water levels could continue to change rapidly. The destruction to infrastructure has been extensive. Roads and bridges were washed away or buried beneath debris, cutting transportation links between communities. Border infrastructure around the Nepal Tibet trade route was also severely damaged, disrupting an important transportation and commercial corridor. Several hydropower facilities and other river-related infrastructure were also damaged. Electricity and communication services were disrupted in parts of the affected region, adding another challenge for residents and emergency responders working in areas already made difficult to reach by the flood.
कहाँ कहाँको पुल लगेको हो हामीलाई थाहा छैन हजुर यो हेरि साथै छैन तिर्सिली खोला माथि बनेको